Are you ready to crush the S&P 500 in 2023? Look no further. In this video, we revealed the top 5 stocks that are poised to outperform the market. These hidden energy sector gems have been carefully selected and have the potential to bring you unparalleled returns. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the stocks that can make you a fortune in 2023. Before we make some serious cash, please crush the subscribe button to Proactive Investing. Trust us, you do not want to miss a second of this video, or you might as well kiss your stock market dreams goodbye. Disclaimer, none of our content may be seen as financial advice. Are you ready to navigate through the rough seas of the future market? According to BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, 3 major regime drivers are said to shake things up and make it more difficult for investors to turn a profit. 1. Aging populations. 2. Tensions between global superpowers. And 3. Transition into clean energy. Investing in these times is like trying to catch a fish in a stormy sea. You gotta know the right bait to use. But don't worry, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. We'll get you 5 stocks to profit from the transition to clean energy, which is set to accelerate. The global economy is rapidly transitioning from carbon-based fossil fuels to alternative energy sources, including renewables, due to the climate change concerns. It's like jumping on a train that's already moving. You do not want to be left behind. Are you curious to know how to invest in the renewable energy industry? Many companies focus on renewable energy, putting them in the excellent position to benefit from this investment megatrend. But which company stands out as the best renewable energy stocks to buy? We've researched for you and identified some top-tier green energy companies. Number 5. SolarEdge Technologies. Number 4. SolarEdge. Number 3. Clearway Energy. Number 2. Brookfield Renewable. Number 1 is a surprise, so watch till the end of the video. These companies are leading the way in the renewable energy industry and are well positioned to benefit from the energy transition. Number 5. SolarEdge Technologies. Are you ready to power up your investments with the latest technology? SolarEdge Technologies is your best bet, the company that's revolutionizing the solar energy game. They've developed and improved systems that increase the power output of solar panels, making them renewable energy more affordable than ever. Think of them as the Swiss Army knife of the energy industry. With strategic acquisitions, they have expanded their offerings to include solar storage, electric car charging, batteries, uninterruptible power supplies, electronic vehicle powertrains, and grid service solutions. And the best part? Thanks to its solid financial standing, SolarEdge Technologies has been able to diversify further into smart energy solutions, which means more money in your pocket. In 2022, the company has almost $1 billion in net cash, allowing them to keep growing and take advantage of the decarbonization megatrend. By investing in SolarEdge Technologies, you can watch money grow like a solar panel on a sunny day. Number 4. First Solar. This company specializes in creating and producing thin film solar panels that take advantage of the larger size to produce more energy than rival technologies. As one of the world's top producers of solar panels, First Solar is well positioned to profit as the demand for solar panels increases. They are actively investing in new facilities and expanding their manufacturing capacity to keep up with the demand. With one of the strongest balance sheets in the industry, First Solar has the financial flexibility to keep growing. The company anticipated having between $1.3 billion and $1.5 billion in cash at the end of 2022, despite of making significant expenditures on expanding its manufacturing capacity. This company is shining brighter than the sun, baby! Sorry to interrupt the video. Recently we uploaded a video about why credit cards are a modern form of slavery. If you haven't seen the video yet, I would highly recommend you watch it after you finish this video and get to know what we mean with modern slavery. Let's quickly move on with this video. Number 3. Clearway Energy. As one of the biggest players in the renewable energy game in the US, Clearway Energy has a diverse portfolio that'll make your head spin from the wind and solar to natural gas-powered facilities. And the cherry on top? They sell their power through PPAs for a consistent income stream. In 2022, They sold their thermal division for $1.35 billion, which they used to fund the expansion of their renewable energy operations. The company plans to keep its financial standing strong while developing its renewable energy activities, generating significant value for its shareholders in the process. So if you're looking for a company that's not afraid to think outside of the fossil fuel box, Clearway Energy is the way to go. Number 2. Brookfield Renewable. One of the world's leading producers of hydroelectronic power and a pioneer in its renewable energy for the corporation will have 50% of its portfolio for hydroelectronic sources by 2022. Also, the company sells most of its power through long-term PPAs that produce consistent cash flow. Over the previous 10 years, earnings have climbed to a compound annual rate of over 10%, enabling the company to increase dividend payments by 6% annually since 2012. But here's the kicker. Brookfield Renewable anticipates even greater growth in the years to come, up to 20% yearly through 2026. Number 1. NextEra Energy. NextEra Energy is one of the firms making the biggest bets on renewable energy. They revealed their Real Zero strategy in 2022 with the goal of ceasing all carbon emissions from operations by 2045. NextEra Energy has a strong track record of generating a value of its shareholders with cumulative return of about 1,000% over the past 15 years. They've been increasing their adjusted profits per share at a compound annual rate of 8.4% and increasing their dividend at a rate of 9.8% since 2005. They anticipate that the dividends from its investors will keep growing to the shareholders. They forecast revenues will rise at or near their target range of 6% to 8% annually through at least 2025, and anticipate a 10% annual dividend growth through a year at least 2024. Are you ready to jump the renewable energy bandwagon? It's not just good for the planet, but it's also good for your portfolio. These green energy companies have already demonstrated their ability to create value, and with trillions of dollars expecting to be invested in renewable energy in the coming decades, it's a smart financial move. It's like buying a lottery ticket, but with the added bonus of helping save the planet. So if you're ready to go green and make some green, invest in top renewable energy equities. It's the most sustainable investment you will ever make. Well folks, that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and crush the subscribe button like it's the S&P 500. And remember, always do your research before investing. It's like playing a game of chess. You gotta think ahead before making your move. Thanks again for joining Proactive Investing. And we'll see you in this video right here about why you should avoid these cities as the real estate market is crashing.